Welcome back to my channel everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to create an abstract wallpaper. It's fun and easy, so let's get started. As usual, we need a blank canvas. So to create one, go to File, New, then customize the size and resolution to your preference. Make sure it is big as it is a wallpaper. Then click OK. Now I'm going to add a gradient effect by clicking on Add a Layer Style icon, Gradient, then select the preset Foreground to Background and click on the left color stop and choose a color. I'm going for blue with the code 000312 and click OK. Then do the same for the right color stop. The color I'm using is 0018FD, which is a lighter shade of blue. Then click OK and OK again. Here change the angle to 45 degrees and click OK. Now I am going to create a new layer and select the line tool and draw a horizontal line while holding down the shift key. Then I'm going to duplicate this line many times by pressing Ctrl and Alt, then dragging the line down. Repeat this for as many times as you like. Then once done, I'm going to draw two vertical lines, one on the left and the other on the right while holding down the Shift key. Now activating Free Transform tool by pressing Ctrl and T. Go to Edit, Transform Path, Wrap, where you can create an abstract effect. Just drag each corner however you want to get the design you like. Once you are happy with your design, click on the confirmation mark. Now to apply a gradient overlay. For this, go to Add a Layer Style icon, then Gradient Overlay. Here, select a bright preset. I'm going for the orange and yellow, but I'm still going to change the brightness of the central color stop and the right color stop. Then click OK. Now creating another new layer. Select the brush tool and choose any soft edge brush tool effect. Also make sure that the foreground color is white. Change your brush size accordingly and draw random dot wherever you like. Once you are happy with how it is looking so far, go to the Add a Layer Style icon and select Outer Glow. First of all, the color needs to be selected. The color code I'll be using is 3A2EEA, which is a lighter shade of blue. Then click OK. You may also add drop shadow effect where nothing needs to be modified, so just click OK. The next step is to create a new layer and add some more circles using the same brush style but significantly bigger. Remember, you can change your brush size using the square brackets on your keyboard. Once you have used circles, click on the FX icon and add outer glow. Here select a color of your choice for the glow, then add a contour. Select a contour that you prefer by playing around with the different options available. I'm going for Cove Shallow Contour, then click OK. Using this basic technique, you are able to play with different effects and brush styles to create a unique wallpaper. You can now save it, as it is the end of my tutorial on how to create an abstract wallpaper. I hope that you have enjoyed creating this with me and hope you have learned something new today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you again soon.